Good evening to all of you. Hi, this is Professor Ripuranjan Sinha. Hi, this is Professor Ripuranjan Sinha. This is Professor Ripuranjan Sinha. Good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank to the leader of JNQ team for the conduction of the back-to-back event during the hard times COVID-19. Conduction of international base conference on the employment opportunity for the repressed employees from the overseas during COVID-19, especially organized by JNTU Alumni Association in collaboration with the JNTU Tech Engineering Hyderabad. It is not easy task to collaborate and complete compile leaders database effectively. COVID-19 pandemic visits sickened more than 6.9 billion people worldwide and brought global travel to the near standstill, is heading at 60% that have already been the clapping away to impact lifestyle. There has been a shift in the Gulf nations such as Oman, Saudi Arabia. Combined shock of collapsing oil price and the coronavirus pandemic is forcing the Arab Gulf monarchy to rethink their policy toward the majority of the region private sector working equally, as well as some other Asian country toward the hiring local personnel, which advanced policy to provide more employment opportunity for the national who are often stateless. Working and a living abroad is becoming less lucrative for the citizens of the nation, such as Australia and the United Kingdom, where some taxation policy are not as favorable for those who live overseas. Don't worry, be happy, be confident, do not lose your temper. So today we are going to discuss career prospects for the former expat and 7 HR way to help employee prepare. So let's start. I like to thank the team of the JN2 Tech Alumni Association with in collaboration with uh, collaboration with JN2C Engineering Hyderabad conduct international based conference on the employment opportunity for the refreshing employment from the overseas during COVID-19. I would like to thank the Professor B.N. Bandari, Principal JNU Tax, especially, and I would like to thank the Dr. S. Vijay Mohan Roy, President Alumni Association, the inauguration address conducted by Professor B. Verma, JNU Tax, and Chief Address Professor B.N. Bandari, and like that, Rama Belsi, Jentikel, Satish, and Navgul Bas, Martha, Bhupesh Nagarajan, and Gauze Bases. So, additional information we will get why this event is happened. This is a question. The COVID-19 pandemic, which has sickened more than 6.4 billion people worldwide and brought global travel and to real nutshell states existing pressure that has already been flipping away at a respect lifestyle. There is a shift in the Gulf nations such as Oman and Saudi Arabia. The combined shock of collapsing oil prices and the coronavirus pandemic focused the Arab Gulf monarchy to rethink their policy toward the majority of regions private sector spread, as well as one of the some other Asian countries toward the hiring local personnel, which advances policy to provide more employment opportunity for the national who are often paid less. Working and living abroad is becoming less lucrative for the citizen of nations such as Australia and United Kingdom, where some taxation policy are not as favorable for those who live overseas. So that's the very big event. So let us start my talk. So hello, this is Professor Ripuranjan Sinha, Professor and Promoter, Information and Communication Technology, United Nations Sustainable Development Group Agenda 2030, African Union Agenda 2063, India at 25, and Uganda Development Agenda 24. So today I am going to discuss about a topic that's the career prospect for the former expat and 7 HR way to help employees during International Wave Conference on the employment opportunity for the retired employee from the overseas during COVID-19 that is organized by JNTU Tech Alumni Association in collaboration with Gen 2C Engineering Hyderabad, 20th August, 25 p.m. onwards. So let's see. As a self-made expert, you will have a get reduced to different way of doing business. People returning from the assignment need to deal with their change position within the company. Don't I think you should not worry about the job because this is not a COVID, that is the ongoing process. Definitely, this is COVID-19. Some different situation are there, but you should not worry about that. Lots of other opportunity are there. So I'm going to discuss some case study regarding the Aditya at the age of 36 years experienced the confusion of the typical refrain when she left Frankfurt after working as a financial consultant for a big bank for a few years. I had to return to Pune for family related reasons. All of a sudden, I had to face India business world as so I'm going to discuss the case studies. Aditya, 36 years experience the confusion of the tactical prepares when she left Frankfurt after working as a financial consultant for the big bank for the years. I had returned to Pune for the family related reason. All of a sudden, I had to face India business world on my own, which was rather intimidating. But I reload up my slates and locked up from the job where I could make good use of my experience. Abroad. Still, finding the right sort of the work took a while. Career are not a liner, but consist of many different experiences and projects. See, say, it took me a few try to find a job I like and an employees who referred me for my skills. So just think yourself, use international experience as a selling point. Don't be disheartened. I like to say international job expert. Don't be disheartened. Use international experience as a selling point. People who have a many international job listed on the resume may seem like a flight risk to employers who usually look for someone to stay put in. It is therefore important for Refract to sell their ability properly and to actively look for the employee who value their international experience. With patience and motivation, Refract like Aditya can change to find their own reach that allow them to use their unique knowledge. Thanks to my former colleague in Frankfurt, I found out that the bank I had worked for was opening an office of Pune. She recalled it was a perfect with the right info network and right focus and lots of dedication. Even Refract who do not have a company to back them up and find a job suit them. Second, prepare for the reparations before you even leave. Nowadays, it is a great risk to move abroad on an expat assignment. Many companies do not support their employees well upon return or struggle to create a suitable job opening for them. Therefore, expats should find out how supportive their company is before they actually go abroad. Pascal, that is the age of 55 years, was on worked as a HR specialist in the Paris. He spent quite a few years about himself, many of them in the United States. He knows that expats need to watch out for. In addition to preparing themselves, expats to be found should find out if their company is well prepared to send them abroad. College colleagues who have already gone through their process should be the first one you talk to. They can offer inside information and how well a company support their expat advice. Also make sure that a representation agreement is read down in the contract before the assignment even begins. This should include an agreement on the position of the reparations, one equal or better than costs connected with the reparations, such as example of shipment of the goods. With the help of such a reparation agreement, you can avoid handling and landing on the unsuitable or unwanted position where returning home. Often experts need to remind their employee that a suitable position upon return will benefit everybody. Pascal explains. No only can companies make their expert happy, they can also ensure they get a keep valuable employee in whom they have invested a lot of money and HR. So make sure to stress this point when negotiating the terms of your expert assignment. Third very important thing is that keep in touch with the home office. According to the Pascal, expect also need to make sure to keep in touch with their company and colleagues back home to avoid losing their network. Once their employees are sent abroad, employers easily forget about them in regard to everyday business. He explained. However, if employee manager manage to contact the company regularly and ask to mentor back home, keep them updated. This should not happen. Not only will this ensure that you are not forgotten about regular contact with the keeping up to date regular regarding the home office will also make you the re-entry into work the much easier. So this is the very big concept I'm going to share with you. Don't be disheartened. Be very powerful regarding the career prospect for the former expert and the I'm a second part that the 7 HR way to help employee trade. So I'm going to discuss, but again recapping these things. So first, use international experience as a selling point that will give big mileage in your career. Second is prepare your preparation before you leave. Even leave, COVID is not a first time, means job is one by one, preparation is ongoing process. And third is keep in touch with the home office regularly for the better opportunity, better prospect, and better career prospect in your respective domains. So now I'm going to talk in the second part of my lecture, that is the 7 way of human resource can help employee different. Multinational organizations often need to deploy employees, particularly highly skilled workers, temporarily overseas to utilize their expertise or fill a skill gap. However, on return to their home country, it is surprisingly common for employees to experience a reverse culture shock and feeling of a less for their host country. This is believed to be the main reason why 12% overseas assignment lead to reparative employees permanently and prematurely leaving their organization following a return to the United Kingdom. This is concerning figure for the employers given the investment made in the international assignment from the relocation cost and HR support through their visa application fees. So what can HR team do to retain highly skilled and experienced personnel returning from overseas assignment? So I may discuss this over here. HR can help employee readjust by the proactively implementing measures to reach out the employee before, during, and after overseas assignment. Number one, establish regular contact. Employee on the assignment will be focused on the adjusting to life, avoid and building relation in their host country, but it may help for them to be a regular contact with the home site so that they do not feel cut off. Particularly where long-term assignments are concerned, it is likely there will be a change at the home country site. Being in regular contact with the employees will help keep them in the loop and at state of key development. So always be establish regular contact with the employees and employers. Okay. Second important thing is that open clear line of the communication with the receiving line manager. Human resource manager will usually have a guide as to when to expect the employee to return to the home country, but they may not be informed early enough of the exact date of return. To address this, put process in a place where the line managers are required to inform HR of an agreed date of return as soon as possible. This will enable you to better support returning employees. 4. Conduct post-assignment debrief. Okay, returning employee bring with them invaluable insight and first-hand experience. Set aside sufficient time for the employee to share their experience from the assignment and raise any point from which the organization can learn. A good platform for this is a debrief or return to the work meeting between an appropriate HR representative and the employee. Try to arrange for this as a close to day one of the employee return as a possible while the experience is still fresh in their mind and any resulting action point can be picked up quickly. Next is the evolve them socially. Evolving returning employee in a aspect of the organization life extremely helpful. Inviting returning employee and their pattern while where possible to social function and event. This will go a long way to remind them that they are still part of the organization and the team. Next, manage expectation. It is crucial to be open with the employee about your organization expectation of them. Often, such are the skill of recruiting employee that are they may be expect to take a further long-term assignment in close prospect with the previous assignment. Information employee uh, okay, no, sorry for this. Next 6 point is a manage expectation. It is crucial to be open and imply about your organization expectation of them. Often such are the skill of preparation imply that they may be expect to take a further long-term assignment in close prospective to the previous assignment. Informing employee of the expectation at the earliest possible juncture can help them on their ability to prepare practically and mentally for them. This can also work in the reverse, where the employee and their family members may expect to take up the further over their assignment in weeks, only to find that such a move will not a horizon for the organization. In each scenario, keeping employee information allow them to make appropriate life adjustments. Next, very important thing, follow. A follow-up meeting between the employee and the HR, scheduled 3 months after the return to work meeting, can prove benefit to both parties. It is an opportunity for the employee to voice any concern or issue they may have about their credits and enabling HR to address this concern and avoid the loss of highly skilled employees. So today I have discussed these things by this work, by big word, with concept word, with thank word. I would like to thank the JNTU Alumni Association in collaboration with the Skill Center Hyderabad, and I would like to thank to Dr. T.J. Jakar who given me chance to speak on this platform. So once again, thank you very much. Be confident. Your job is your feet. You should not worry about your job. You should be focused about your skills, experience, knowledge, and talent. Thank you. Goodbye, and thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jakar Saab. Thank you very much, all the team of the NTU. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.